to Meen Man Cooks. This is Harish Vijay Kumar, the Meen Man, and Mom.
Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you today for another episode in Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see how to make prawn fritters.
Excellent. Let's get going to the recipe.
Now let's go and see the ingredients required for the prawn fritters. I have already inserted a toothpick. I'll just show you one piece. Just send the toothpick from one end to the other. It helps in the prawn not to curl up, and also it's easy to serve and munch. It should look like your stick ice. It should go through almost the entire length of the prawn. Not really fully, but almost. 1 egg, finely powdered pepper, all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt to taste, and oil for frying. Now let's get started with the procedure. First, break the egg. Just whip it up a little. Let's add a heaped spoon of all-purpose flour, a little more than a spoon of corn flour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, and about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix them all nicely. This is the batter. Heat the oil for the fritters. Just dust a little flour on it. Keep them ready. This is the fritter batter which we prepared with egg. Coat it nicely with the batter. The oil is hot. Gently drop it in the hot oil. With about 1 egg, you should be able to coat 10 to 12 medium-sized prawns. Cook it on a medium to low flame, else the prawn won't be cooked properly. The whole frying process will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Drain all the excess oil. So once you remove them from the hot oil, ensure you place the prawns on a paper tissue. That helps in absorbing the oil and retaining the heat, in which heat the prawn cooks just for another minute or so. Makes it softer on the inside and crisp on the outside. Do try this recipe. You'll definitely enjoy it. And to get the prawns, please log on to meenman.com. Place your orders for small, medium, large, whichever size you want, and we will deliver cleaned, deveined, fresh prawns. Thank you.